controversy that's snowballing off over a Congress mantri's Muslim vote admission remark. The chief minister should ask this minister to resign is what the Bharatiya Janata Party is saying. Let's listen in.
In the past, I had read the news item that D.K. Shivakumar had warned all his party leaders not to discuss about the deputy chief minister in public domain. But once again, the issue has come to the fore. It is clear the Siddaramaiah faction is out to cut D.K. Shivakumar power after the Lok Sabha polls debacle. He could not even get his brother elected to the Lok Sabha. Now they feel there is a chance that there can be more deputy.
Okay, we have Imran joining us as we get you the latest. The Bharatiya Janata Party is stepping up the attack on Chief Minister Siddaramaiah after that video has come out where Minister Zamir Ahmed, he's also one of those ministers who's also waded into the 3 deputy chief ministers post-controversy. But let's talk about what the minister said. Imran, this video has now come out. How old is the video? Get us a context to this.
Well, there was a public hearing of the Waqf Land and Properties yesterday at Bidar district of Karnataka, and they were doing the Waqf Adalat. There was several petitioners who had come with works which are pending in the Bidar district. And one of these petitioners raised the issue of burial ground, wherein it has been burial ground and the DC had given permission, he claims, in the petition, and asked the minister to ensure that the forest department gives the clearance. Now, over this issue, the minister says that since it's a forest department issue, they cannot give clearance, so look for an alternate land. But the petitioner insists that since it has been a burial ground and all they need is that DC has given permission, need a forest department's clearance. He goes on to say that the MP is now our MP, he's Congress MP, and he has won because of Muslim votes, and the minister, the forest minister, his father is also belongs to Congress party, and since Muslims have helped him in winning this election this time, he should ensure that the Muslims get the burial ground. And over this particular statement, a controversy has started where BJP IT cell chief Amit Malviya tweeted saying that this is how the appeasement is done by the Congress party, wherein forest land is being illegally converted into burial ground is what their allegations are. This is the same point which BJP is attacked. In fact, the minister responding to it said that he didn't mean that, but he said that he will look into this issue and what is legally it will be done, is what the minister's response is after there was huge umbrage and outcry on the social media over this issue.
All right, so the minister is clarifying. We'll play out that reaction, but let's also get your reaction coming in from the Bharatiya Janata Party, which is stepping up the demand for Zamir Ahmed Khan's resignation over his comment. They're saying this is a comment which has blatant communal overtones. Let's listen in.
No, it is very sad. Being a cabinet minister and he's under oath, he gives communal color to every issue comes to him. This is not the first time he has done this. Even in the past several times, he had even given the bail amount to those who violated the COVID protocols about 2-3 years back, only on the communal lines. The Siddaramaiah should definitely take note of his outburst seriously and straighten him out. Otherwise, he should be dropped from the cabinet if he cannot work impartially.
Now, the minister in the eye of the storm, the minister who made the Muslim vote comment while speaking to a voter, has now clarified. What does he go on to say? He went on to say that I did not say that the Congress MP won because of Muslims. I went on to say that he won because all minorities voted for him. Let's listen into that clarification that's now coming.
ಮತ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಮತದಿಂದ ಮುಸ್ಲಿಂ ಒಂದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಒಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಒಂದಾಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ಅಲ್ಪಸಂಖ್ಯಾತರು. ನಮ್ಮ ಎಂಪಿನೂ ನಮ್ಮವರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇದೇ ನಾನೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವೇನ್ರಿ. ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ದೆ ಮುಸ್ಲಿಂ ಅವರು ಒಂದ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಮತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಆ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಗೆದ್ದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ. ಆ ಸಮಾಜ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ತಾನೆ. ಮೊದಲೇ ಮುಸಲ್ಮಾನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಗೆದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯನಾ? ಎಷ್ಟು ಓಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಅವರು? ಸಾಗರ್ ಅವರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಓಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು? ಸಾಗರ್ ಅವರು ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಂಡು 6 ಲಕ್ಷ ಚಿಲ್ಲರೆ ಓಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮುಸಲ್ಮಾನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಓಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? 2 ಲಕ್ಷ ಚಿಲ್ಲರೆ ಓಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 2 ಲಕ್ಷ ಗೆಲ್ಲಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯನಾ? ನಾನಿಂದ ನೀವು ಒಂದ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಈಶ್ವರ ಕಂಡವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮುಸಲ್ಮಾನ್ ಅವರೇ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಈ ಬಾರಿ ಓಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲನ ಮುಸಲ್ಮಾನ್ ಓಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಒಂದ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ತಾನೆ. ಆ ಹಿನ್ನೆಲೆಯಿಂದ ಇಳಿದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಮುಸಲ್ಮಾನರು ಓಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಗೆದ್ದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರ MP ಅವ್ರು ನಮ್ಮವರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈಗ ಅವ್ರ ತಾವು ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕೆಲಸ ತಗೊಳ್ಬಹುದು.